Mia, there you are. I was looking for you.
Sorry, Jack. The line was long, but I am ready. Are you ready for the Amazon?
Of course. I still cannot believe we are actually going.
I have seen so many videos, but seeing it in real life feels like a dream. Jack, what are you most excited about?
The sounds of the jungle. I want to hear them myself. They say the rainforest never sleeps.
And I want to see the river, the Amazon River, the largest river in the world.
We will see everything. Trees as tall as buildings, birds in every color, maybe even small animals watching us from the bushes.
Please, Jack, not too close.
Do not worry. We will be careful.
Oh, wow. It is so hot.
And so humid. My shirt is already wet.
It feels different, like the air is thicker.
Welcome to the gateway of the Amazon.
I cannot wait to start tomorrow.
Me too. I want to see the forest come alive.
Do you hear that?
Yes, frogs, insects, maybe birds too. Wow, it is loud.
It feels like the jungle is calling us.
Then let us sleep early. Tomorrow we answer the call.
This forest is so green. Everywhere I look, just green.
And so many plants. Look at these leaves. They are huge.
Nature really is amazing. It knows everything.
Look, scarlet macaws.
They are beautiful. Is this a river?
A small one. We can cross.
Be careful. I am not good with water.
I will go first. Watch me.
Okay, that was scary for 1 second.
This is the Amazon. Sometimes scary, but always beautiful.
We sleep on hammocks, not tents?
Yes, it keeps us off the ground. No insects.
Okay, hammock sounds good. Everything feels alive. The forest is breathing.
I feel so small here. Very small.
Yes, the forest is huge, but beautiful. What was that?
A monkey. So close.
Hello, little guy. That was amazing.
The jungle is full of surprises.
Jack, look at that.
The Amazon River. So big.
I feel like I'm inside a movie.
We kind of are.
It feels so peaceful here.
Like time moves slower.
Yes, and the world feels far away.
I cannot believe how alive this place is.
Every sound, every smell feels different.
The forest teaches patience, silence, peace.
Jack, are you awake?
Yes, the sounds are loud but beautiful.
A strange concert.
Yes, a jungle symphony.
It looks like a dream.
A very green dream.
I feel calm here.
Me too. The forest gives peace.
This tree is huge.
Hundreds of years old.
Touching it feels spiritual.
Like touching time.
The rain came so fast.
I love it. The forest needs it.
Yes, the forest is alive with water. Jack, look, so blue.
It looks magical.
The rainforest is full of wonders. I feel small here, but happy.
The jungle gives a kind of peace you cannot find anywhere else.
I want to remember everything, every sound, every smell. Jack, I am going to miss this place.
Me too.
We came to explore, but we found peace.
And clarity.
The Amazon changes everyone who visits.
It feels strange to leave.
We will carry it with us, in our hearts.
We came for adventure, but we got life lessons instead.
Nature is the greatest teacher.
Goodbye, Amazon.
I hope we can come back someday.
Me too. The forest will always be with us.